Ever heard of an animal that can tear apart a pack of wolves, outrun a bear, and thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth? It's not a lion or tiger. It's a wolverine. Despite its cute name, this creature is one of the most fearsome predators you'll ever find. Stick around to learn why even apex predators give it a wide berth. Wolverines don't follow the usual animal playbook. Known as skunk bears, they're a perfect mix of cunning, ferocity, and survival skills. Living in places like Canada and Siberia, wolverines endure temperatures that would send most animals hiding. But don't let their size fool you. They weigh only 30 to 50 pounds, but pound for pound, they're some of the toughest animals out there. They take on animals way bigger than themselves, like moose and deer, all thanks to their powerful, dense muscles. Wolverines are built for survival. Their short legs and broad paws let them move quickly through snow, while their endurance helps them out-hunt most predators. They're not just fast, they're built to last. And when it comes to food, wolverines will eat anything. From tiny rodents to frozen carcasses, nothing's off the menu. Their metabolism is insane, constantly fueling them to cover huge distances in search of prey. Their jaws are strong enough to crush bones from marrow, and they're even known to chase predators off a kill. Imagine bullying a bear for its lunch. That's a wolverine. But they don't rely just on brute force. Wolverines are smart. They'll stockpile food to survive harsh winters, and they're fierce enough to hold their ground against much larger animals. These creatures don't back down, even when facing a bigger, stronger predator. Yet despite their toughness, wolverines do have a big enemy: humans. Habitat loss and climate change have shrunk their numbers, especially in North America, where they used to roam freely. But these survivors aren't giving up just yet. When it comes to family life, wolverines are surprisingly strategic. Females can pause pregnancy until conditions are perfect, ensuring their offspring have the best chance of survival. Once the kits are born, they grow up fast, learning to hunt by 6 months. Male wolverines also play a big role in raising their young, which is rare in the animal kingdom. It's like survival training from day one. Wolverines are elusive, rarely seen by humans. Their territories can stretch over 500 square miles, and they've been spotted at altitudes as high as 12,000 feet. They're the ultimate masters of stealth, adapting to some of the harshest environments on Earth. From icy mountaintops to vast forests, wolverines know how to make the most of their surroundings. So why aren't there more wolverines? It comes down to reproduction. Females have few kits and not every year, making population recovery slow. Factor in human threats, and it's clear why they're considered vulnerable. But despite everything, wolverines are fighters. They've outlasted ice ages and predators and continue to survive in the wild against all odds. Next time you think of dangerous animals, don't forget the wolverine. It might not have the size of a lion or the reputation of a shark, but pound for pound, it's one of the toughest creatures out there. From surviving frozen wastelands to battling larger predators, wolverines are the ultimate underdogs of the animal world. And any creature that can stare down a bear and win, that's a story worth telling.